To fix Windows 11 brightness slider not working or missing, right-click on Start, select Device Manager, expand Display Adapter. Here you will see your graphic card driver. It could be Intel, AMD or Nvidia graphic card driver. Right-click and select Uninstall Device. Check this box, then click on Uninstall. Afterward, open your browser and install the driver from manufacturer website. Then restart your PC and check if that helps you to fix your problem. Next, you can try Display Enhancement Services. Click in Search, type Services, select Run as Administrator. Here, you need to search for Display Enhancement Service. Simply right-click, select Properties, change the startup type to Automatic. If the service status showing not running, then click on Start. Afterward, apply and OK. Right-click one more time, select Restart. If none of the method work for you, you can go with the Registry option. Click in Search, type Registry, select Run as Administrator, click on Yes. Here, you have to be in this location. I have mentioned this location in the description. On the right side, you will find Feature Test Control. If you don't find this option in here, then simply right-click here, select dword32 value and type this name, Feature Test Control. Then double-click on it and add this value data. Then select OK and restart your computer and check if that helps you to fix your problem. If you still need help, you can contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page. See you in the next video.